Alright guys, so this is the promised fourth part of the kind of trader setup series. Finally moved into the new place, so I thought I'd kind of go over a hardware review, kind of my desk setup and that type of thing, and why it's important. This is the new apartment, right? This is obviously really new. I've got to hang a bunch of stuff. There's the article I wrote for Trade Ideas and picked that up on Wall Street, and not really legally allowed to talk about where I got that from, but so I gotta obviously fill this out. But the desk setup, pretty straightforward. It's at night, so I'm glad to have that beer. But simple, 2 monitors, keyboard. I actually have a gaming keyboard. I have some and need to set up some more keys for this this hotkey area. You can set up a series of keys, and then I can set them up with my broker to, hit a button to sell all longs, or cover all shorts, or cover half of positions, or cover everything. Right? It's nice when you're algo trading to have what I call a holy shit button, which is where you just want to, black swan event, whatever, you just kind of want to get out. But again, 2 monitors, not a billion for me. I've kind of gone over on other videos why I don't like that much. It's just too much sensory input. Some things that are important. Laptop here. I think you should have a backup. There's a Starbucks right across the street. If everything goes bad, I can go over there and talk to that. Again, the place is kind of messy because of the move, but one thing you got to know is that it is clean and will be clean and simple, and I think a workspace should be. So for the computer, right, I don't know too much about it, but it's just kind of your generic HP, Pavilion, Walmart, Best Buy, $500 special. I up the RAM, that's pretty straightforward and cheap. I up the video card and the power source to match those. So, that's just, again, clean, simple, basic. You should keep it that way. One thing you'll notice that's not here and won't ever be here is a CNBC TV or anything like that. We want to keep everything real simple. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, which I think is very important, if you just take a little jaunt with me here, so you can see it's night, so I'm allowed that beer. Across the apartment is this, right? I talk about it all the time when I trade, when I'm in the different rooms. Exercise. Exercise is huge, guys. Even, half the day is going to be spent in there trading, and half the day is going to be spent out here doing something. I take a break, I'll run and do a couple pull-ups or something like that, right? So get out of your desk, get out of your chair, go for a walk. If you're not as kind of hardcore and psycho as I am, right? Go for a little walk, go for a little jaunt, but keep it clean, keep it simple. I don't need a whole bunch of stuff. I need, enough monitors to see what's kind of going on. Too many is a bit too much input for me, but customize it to your liking. But again, the only tips: keep it clean, keep it simple, have some place to go blow off steam nearby, right? Whether it's just a yoga mat to do a bunch of push-ups, or one of those door pull-up bars, or whatever. Go for a walk the dog, kiss the wife, whatever, but just get out. So that'll be it. I don't really know what to do more for this series, so put in the comments. My email is going to be down in the description for the mentoring and all that. You can just write me an email with a tip, or send me a tweet, or whatever. Or if you have an idea for the next series, let's go with that. We'll see what's going on. All right, guys, until I talk to you next, trade safe.